Hello friends, welcome to a zone. Today we are going to see an interesting topic, that is fingerprints. Before entering into this topic, let's interrogate ourselves. Have you seen your own fingerprints? Does everyone have the same fingerprint? And do twins have the same fingerprint? Interesting, isn't it? So let's see them in detail. First, let's discuss what are fingerprints. Your fingerprints are unique. That means no one else in the world has the exact same set of ridges and lines that you have on your fingers. Not even identical twins have the same fingerprints. Your fingerprints also stay the same from the time you were born until death. Now, let's see something more interesting about fingerprints. There are three basic type of fingerprints, and these three have divisions too. The first type is arches, second one loops, third one whorls. Inside this you have got subdivisions. The first one, plain arch. It starts on one side of the finger and a ridge then slightly cascades upwards. Second, tented arch. The tented arch lies in the ridges in the center and is not continuous like the plain arch. Third one, ulnar loop. These loops are not very common and most of the times will be found on the index finger. Fourth one, radial loop. The flow of this pattern runs from the thumb towards the little finger of the hand. Fifth one, double loop. It has two distinct and separate shoulders for each cole, two deltas and one or more ridges that make a complete circuit. Sixth one, plain whorl. The ridges in these whorls make a turn of one complete circuit with two deltas and are therefore circular or spiral in shape. Seventh, central pocket loop whorl. These whorl ridges make one complete circuit and may be oval, circular, spiral or any variant of a circle. And the last one, accidental whorl. Whorls containing ridges that match the characteristic of a particular whorl subgrouping are referred to as accidental whorls. Hope you found these to be interesting. To add on to this, let me highlight few facts on fingerprints. The first one, your fingerprints remain the same from your birth till death. Second, the lines in the fingerprints are known as ridges. Third one, even if you and your friend have the same fingerprint patterns, the ridges won't be of the same. Fourth one, if the police wants to investigate a case, the first help they seek is from the forensic department. Fifth one, the experts from the forensic department analyze fingerprints from the crime spots. With this, let's end this video. Hope it was informative. Thank you for watching.